In this video, you'll learn how to combine postage on eBay to streamline your shipping process and enhance customer satisfaction. By following these steps, you will enable combined shipping settings, set postage rules, and send combined invoices effectively. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once you are on the main page, look for your account name at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu and then select Account Settings. This action will direct you to your Account Settings page where you can manage various options for your seller profile. Within the Account Settings page, locate the section labeled Shipping Preferences. This section contains all the relevant options for managing shipping. You will find an option titled Combined Shipping. Enable this feature to allow buyers to purchase multiple items and pay a single shipping cost. Activating this setting not only encourages customers to buy more, but also simplifies their checkout experience. Next, after enabling combined shipping, you need to set your postage rules. Look for the subsection under Shipping Preferences that allows you to create shipping rules. Here, you can specify a standard shipping cost for the first item purchased and a reduced fee for any additional items. These rules will help eBay automatically calculate the correct total postage during the checkout process, which is essential for maintaining accurate shipping charges. Once you have configured the postage rules, double-check your listings to ensure they use compatible shipping methods. This step is crucial because any discrepancies could lead to incorrect postage calculations. After reviewing, save your settings to apply these postage rules to your listings. When a buyer purchases multiple items, navigate to the Orders section in your seller dashboard. This section displays all recent transactions. Select the orders from the same buyer that you want to combine. Look for the option to combine these orders, which will prompt eBay to generate a single invoice reflecting the updated postage cost. Sending this combined invoice to the buyer is important for confirming the payment amount, as it helps reduce any shipping confusion. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.